Want to see what's coming up for the year 2025? Well, stay tuned. Oh man, now I gotta clean this up. Didn't think this through. Oh, hey guys. All right. So, 2025 already. Do you know that this month, 2 years ago, I started this channel? Amazing. And it never occurred to me that it would be such a hit that it is. I know it's a baby one, but to me, it's a big deal. And thank you very much. It's all because of you guys, and you're awesome. So, with that being said, what is DB's Handicrafts going to do for 2025? Well, my family knows me well, and this is what I got for Christmas. Bah. So, number one, we got some kits. I'm just going to give you a little peek. There's some brands I know, some brands I don't know, so this will be all some adventure going on here. With the kits, there's also going to be a lot of, I have tons of ideas from scratch builds, so we're going to have those too, intermingled with the kits. But, you know, this is our bread and butter right here. We're going to be making a bunch of these together, right? And, big deal. This is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time, way before I started this channel. And I finally pulled the plug and I bought myself something really nice. Don't want to give too much away, but yeah. Something's coming and it's going to be big, literally. So let's go back over there. So that's what we got coming. Lots and lots of work to do. Lots of fun. We don't call it work, we call it fun. Fun with a challenge. Challenging fun. So we got a few things. It looks like a little bit of everything. I mean, we got magic, we got flowers, we got just things. You'll see. So, if you want to see all this excitement that's coming up this year, you know, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much. And tell your friends, all like-minded individuals, and join the party. And, you know, when you do watch the videos, make sure you put that like button and click it, because that does give me into your algorithm, your recommended, you know. And not just me, but anybody, you know, is like, that was kind of amusing, that cat playing piano. Did I date myself? But, you know, hit that like button, and then you get more videos of kitty cats playing pianos, you know. Or crazy ladies making miniature houses. So, and, you know, leave a comment. What's your guys' New Year's resolutions this year? I don't do resolutions where I'm only going to eat kale, you know. Let's be realistic here. I think my resolution is to make sure I'm going to improve my content for you guys. Number one, that's a cheesy one. I am going to be the best person that I could possibly be. No. But, and you know, I think on a personal side, I might work on a little bit of health things, you know, eat a little better, exercise a little more, just baby steps. That's what I believe, you know, just a smidge better than you did last year. If you don't learn year upon year, you know, what's the point, right? And learning some new things too. So we got some traveling to do this year. I know I'm not 100% positive where we're going to be going, but we have some ideas. And we signed up for the big gigantic Christmas show again this year. So we'll be doing that, and I think I'm going to film a little bit more than I did last year. I was way too nervous. that was a big deal. And it's one of those things that you do it and then you're done. You're like, that's what I was scared of? Let's do it again. It's nothing, right? So bigger and better things, learning new stuff, making a bunch of kits. I got, we'll just do that. And the giant surprise in the back. So, if I haven't said it already, thank you very, very much for such a great year last year. And this is gonna be an even better year, right? For everybody, including you guys, because you guys are great. And I met a lot of you at the show last Christmas, December. It seems like it was a million years ago, but it was only a month ago. And so keep on trucking. Those that, you know, like, I don't know where I'm gonna start. I couldn't do it. You know what? This is your year. You can do it. And it is possible. You don't have to be perfect. You are great just the way you are. Every way you do it is your way. And that's the right way, right? So let's go on to 2025 with a bang, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I'm DB of DB's Handicrafts, and you're saying, who the heck are you? How did I make this? A lot of work. Oh, hey, nice to see ya. I have an idea.
Oh, what do we have, lass?
I can show you how you can make your own rugs. Come on, gather around.
Okay. Let's see what you have.
Bye.